Celebrate National Family Meals Month in September by bringing the entire family back to the dinner table. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian. Today on Hy-Vee Healthy You, I'll show you how to make a takeout fake-out recipe, Honey-Cashew Chicken Stir-Fry, your new family favorite. First, we'll make our homemade stir-fry sauce. Today I'm using Hy-Vee's 33% less sodium chicken broth to help decrease the overall sodium in this recipe. Next, I'll add in some low sodium soy sauce, a little bit of sesame oil to really give it that authentic flavor, some crushed red pepper flakes for a little sweet heat, and a little bit of fresh ginger. And next you'll add honey. To save on sugar, you can use a little less than what the recipe calls for. And lastly, I'll add in a tablespoon of cornstarch to help thicken my sauce. Now it's time to stir fry our veggies. First, I'll add in some broccoli florets. What I love about broccoli is it's a great plant source of calcium. Then add in carrots and bell pepper strips. And today I'm using Hy-Vee shortcuts, which I love to save even more time in the kitchen. And add in your stir-fry sauce. I've already cooked my chicken breast in a little bit of cornstarch, so that's good to go. And last but not least, some lightly salted cashews. And swap your white rice for brown rice to get in more whole grains and fiber. Research shows kids and teens are more likely to earn better grades and less likely to become obese when they eat more family meals together. So go find this recipe and other family favorites in the latest issue of Hy-Vee Seasons magazine, or go to Hy-Vee.com. For more tips to keep you and your family healthy, ask your local Hy-Vee dietitian.